Hi, it is Friday morning, 27th of September. This channel is Drips Media, and I will be covering financial news from New York stock exchanges before markets open. The regular trading for the U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. My name is Daniela Drips. I will be quickly covering yesterday's closing data, main indexes, and the key companies. Please follow us online.
Good morning. This is Drips Media, lid from New York. Drips Media, the revolutionary digital service that transforms the way you stay informed. With Drips Media, you get real-time news delivered in dynamic short video clips, keeping you updated on the latest headlines as they happen. Our cutting-edge technology curates and condenses top stories. Whether you're on the go or just need a quick update, Drips News ensures you're always in the know, effortlessly. Stay connected, stay informed, and experience news like never before with Drips News.
And now, let's delve into yesterday's market performance, where we saw a sea of green across the board. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, often seen as a bellwether for the U.S. economy, closed at 42,175.1. This represents a 0.6% increase, effectively reversing the previous day's losses. The broader market, as represented by the S&P 500, also showed resilience, finishing the day at 5,745.4. This signifies a 0.4% climb, mirroring the Dow's positive trend and snapping its own single-day losing streak. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite continued its upward trajectory, notching its fourth consecutive day of gains. The index closed at 18,190.3, marking a 0.6% rise. This sustained growth in the tech sector suggests continued investor confidence in the face of recent market volatility. Now, let's zoom in on some tech titans that played a significant role in yesterday's market movements. Apple, a staple in many portfolios, closed at $227.50, marking a 0.5% increase and bouncing back from the previous day's losses. Google, another heavyweight in the tech arena, also saw a positive close at $162.70. This represents a notable 0.8% gain, effectively erasing the previous day's dip and signaling renewed investor confidence. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing in the tech sector. Microsoft, despite the overall positive market sentiment, closed at $431.30, a slight 0.2% dip. This reversal from the previous day's gains suggests that even amidst a broader market upswing, individual company performance can vary based on a multitude of factors. This minor dip comes despite a 3.4% increase in Microsoft's stock value since the beginning of the month, and a whopping 15% surge year-to-date. Looking at the bigger picture, Microsoft's recent performance shows a bit of a mixed bag. While yesterday snapped a single-day winning streak, the tech giant has seen gains on 4 out of the last 10 trading days. This suggests that while there might be some short-term fluctuations, the overall sentiment around Microsoft remains cautiously optimistic. Amazon, a major player in the e-commerce and cloud computing sectors, closed at $191.20, reflecting a 0.7% dip. This marks 2 consecutive days of losses for the company, potentially signaling some investor hesitancy. Meanwhile, Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, closed at $567.80, a marginal 0.1% decrease. This slight dip halts the previous day's gains, suggesting a potential plateau in investor confidence. Finally, NVIDIA, a leading name in the graphics processing unit market, closed at $124, a 0.4% increase. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains for NVIDIA, highlighting the continued positive sentiment surrounding the company's growth prospects. This positive momentum is mirrored in NVIDIA's performance over the past week and month. The company's stock value has surged by 5.2% in the last 5 trading days and boasts a solid 3.9% increase since the start of September. Zooming out further, NVIDIA's year-to-date performance paints an even more impressive picture. The company's stock has skyrocketed by a staggering 151% since the beginning of the year, underscoring the strong investor confidence in NVIDIA's future prospects. This sustained growth is further evidenced by NVIDIA's recent trading history. The chipmaker has closed in positive territory on 5 out of the last 10 trading days, demonstrating a clear upward trend. This consistent performance, coupled with the impressive streak of 4 consecutive gain days, solidifies NVIDIA's position as a market leader and a potential bellwether for the broader tech sector. Turning our attention to the financial sector, we saw a mixed bag of results yesterday. Bank of America closed at $39.50, a 0.7% gain, snapping a 4-day losing streak. Similarly, Visa ended the day at $271.70, up 0.8%, reversing 2 consecutive days of losses. MasterCard also joined the green side, closing at $491.30, a 0.4% increase, marking 2 consecutive gain days. Meanwhile, Morgan Stanley stood out with a strong performance, closing at $104.60, a significant jump of 2.2% and reversing from the previous day's losses. However, not all financial giants enjoyed the same positive momentum. JP Morgan closed at $209.80, a marginal 0.2% dip, marking 2 consecutive loss days. American, on the other hand, closed at $268.20, a 0.7% increase, putting an end to 3 days of losses. This positive streak for Bank of America extends back further, with the stock seeing gains on 5 out of the last 10 trading days. However, zooming out to a month-to-date perspective reveals a slight dip of 2.4%. Despite this recent dip, Bank of America's year-to-date performance remains strong, boasting a healthy 20% increase since the start of the year. This positive momentum extends to the cryptocurrency market, where we saw significant gains yesterday. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap, closed at $65,499, a notable 3.7% increase. This surge allowed Bitcoin to break its single-day losing streak, signaling renewed investor interest. Dogecoin, often considered a more volatile cryptocurrency, experienced an even more dramatic surge, closing at 10 cents, a considerable 13.7% jump. This impressive gain also reversed Dogecoin's previous day's losses, highlighting the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum, another major player in the crypto space, also enjoyed a positive close at $2,667.30, a solid 3.4% increase. This upswing allowed Ethereum to break free from its single-day losing streak, suggesting a potential return to bullish sentiment. This positive trend in the crypto market comes on the heels of Bitcoin's impressive performance throughout September. The cryptocurrency has seen its value increase by 11.1% since the beginning of the month, further solidifying its position as a potential safe haven asset. Zooming out further, Bitcoin's year-to-date performance paints an even brighter picture. The cryptocurrency has surged by an impressive 55% since the start of the year, underscoring the growing mainstream acceptance and investor confidence in digital assets. This bullish sentiment is further evidenced by Bitcoin's recent trading history. The cryptocurrency has closed in positive territory on 7 out of the last 10 trading days, demonstrating a clear upward trend. This consistent performance, coupled with yesterday's surge, suggests that the cryptocurrency market may be entering a new bullish phase.